All right, let's do some practice about how to convert fractions. Let's go to page 70 in our textbook. Page 70, page 70, page 70. So, page 70, we can see number 1. 1/3 is equal to 1/3 times blank equals 3/9. So 3/9. So 3 times what equals 9? 1 times what equals 3? What did they multiply to get 3? And what did they multiply to get 9? Remember, if we multiply the same number, we will get the same. We always have to multiply by the same number. The same number. So 3 times what equals 9? Or we can do 9 divided by 3. What do we get? 9 divided by 3 equals 3. And 1 times blank equals 3. It's 3. So we multiply by 3. Let's take a look at number 2. 4/5. 4/5 times blank equals blank over 20. So we will first find out 5 times what equals 20. 5 times what equals 20. So we know 5 times 4 equals 20. Remember, if we multiply the bottom, we have to multiply the top, the same number, the same number. So we just write 4 times 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. Let's take a look at the next one. Number 3. 2/7. 2/7. 2/7 times what equals 6/21. So we see 21 here. 7 times what equals 21? 7 times what equals 21? So we know 7 times 3 equals 21. We know 2 times 3 equals 6. Okay, let's try number 4. We see 5/8 equals blank over 40. Blank over 40. So 8 times what equals 40? 8 times what equals 40? So we know 8 times 5 equals 40. So if we multiply by 5 here, we have to do the same on top. So 5 times 5 equals 25. Let's take a look at number 5. 7/10. 7/10 equals 42 over 60. So we do 10 times blank equals 60. 10 times blank equals 60. So 10 times 6 equals 60. So we also have to multiply the top by 6. So 7 times 6 equals 42. 7 times 6 equals 42. That's how we convert it. And let's take a look at the last one, number 6. 7/12 is equal to 49 over 84. 49/84. So 12 times what equals 84? 12 times what equals 84? And we know 12 times 7 equals 84. So 7 times 7 equals 49. If we multiply the bottom, we also have to multiply the top. Same number, same number, same. Let's go down the page a bit and let's look at section number 2. Write the number in each box to make an equivalent fraction. So 1/5 is equal to blank over 15. 1/5 is equal to blank over 15. So 5 times what equals 15? 5 times what equals 15? So 5 times 3 equals 15. 5 times 3 equals 15. So if we multiply the bottom, the denominator, by 3, we also have to multiply the top. So 1 times 3. 1 times 3 is equal to 3. So 3/15 is equal to 1/5. Let's take a look at number 2. 3/4 is equal to blank over 20. 3/4 is equal to blank over 20. So 4 times what equals 5? 4 times what? 4 times what equals 20? So 4 times 5 is equal to 20. 3 times 5. Because if we multiply the bottom by 5, we have to multiply the top. So 3 times 5 is equal to 15. 15 20ths. 3/4 is equal to 15 20ths. Good. So let's try number 3. 4/7. 4/7 is equal to 35. Blank over 35. 7 times what equals 35? 7 times 5 is equal to 35. So if we multiply the bottom by 5, we also have to multiply the top. So 4 times 5. 4 times 5 is equal to 20. So 20 over 35. 20 35ths. 20 35ths. 4/7 is equal to 20 35ths. They are the same. So let's try number 4. 3/8. 3/8. 3/8 is equal to blank over 32. So 8 times what equals 32? 8 times 4 is equal to 32. So if we multiply the bottom, we have to multiply the top. So 3 times 4 is equal to 12. So 3/8 is equal to 12 32ths. All right, let's try 7/9. 7/9. 7/9. So 7/9 is equal to blank over 54. 7/9 is equal to blank over 54. So 9 times what equals 54? 9 times 6 equals 54. So if we multiply the bottom, we have to multiply the top. So 7 times 6 is equal to 42. So 7/9 is equal to 42 54ths. 42 54ths. So for classwork and homework, I want you to try number 6, 7, 8, and also part 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one, you're going to write 3 equivalent fractions for each given fraction. So 1/6, I will do one with you. 1/6, we can say, let's try, times 2 times 2. And we get 2 times 1 equals 2, and 2 times 6 equals 12. So we can write 1/6 the same as 2/12. So that's the first one. So the next one you will try to do. We have to do this one and this one. So 3/7, you would do the same for each one. You do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You'll try to convert all the fractions, right? 3 equivalent fractions, right? The same fraction for each one. So here we can try again the next one, number 2. We can also do times 2 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 times 2. Let's all try that out. So 2 times 3 equals 6. 7 times 2 equals 14. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 9 equals 18. 2 times 9 equals 18. 10 times 2 equals 20. 5 times 2 is 10. 2 times 11 is 22. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 16 is 32. So make sure you do this one, this one, this one, this one. 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure you do this whole part. Make sure you write an equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction for the rest of the numbers. You can do times 2, you can do times 3, times 4. It's really up to you. Make sure you write an equivalent fraction, the same